Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today is not hair review. I want to share with you guys the easiest makeup I do when I want to go for an appointment, or I want to go for groceries, or I want to go for like shopping. Even if I want to go out with friends, sometimes I do this. It's very easy, very smart. Okay, you don't need to do much and it doesn't take a lot of time. Okay gorgeous, thank you so much for tuning in. If it is your first time here, thank you, I really appreciate. Please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. I will show you guys every step, because when I do that, I don't wear foundation. If you want to wear foundation, you can do that, but me, I don't wear foundation. The most important thing I do are my brows. Now I have a false lash on, but if I don't have a false lash on, I can just add mascara and that is it. Then lip gloss. So I want to share that with you guys today. Stay tuned, let's head into this video. So if you like this bonnet I'm wearing, the lady that did it for me, if you are in France or around Europe, she can ship to you. If you want to do for your kid, if you want to do for yourself, you want your daughter to twin with you, she does that. Okay, you can contact her and you can have this beautiful bonnet you're seeing right here. So I'm going to leave her Instagram handle on the description box so that you contact her in case if you want this bonnet. All right, so guys, I have my cap wig on. Okay, so all you will need are this here. You need your blending brush for your brows, you need mascara, you need a gloss or lipstick, whatever you want, but this is a gloss, and you need a flat brush like this to clean your brows. Okay, and what else? And you need your brow pencil. So this brow pencil, it has a screwy, how do they call it? This screwy, let me show you guys. This you will use to brush your brows. You need this. Okay, so if your brow pencil does not come with this, you can buy this separately. This one, I bought this brow pencil from Sephora. So, and also you need a concealer to clean your brows when your brows are done. Okay, and also you need a pressed powder. You guys are going to see what I will do with this later. So first thing I always do, I start with my brows, which is very important, and I don't waste time. These days I just need my brows real natural, not dramatic, and with that what I do, I'll brush my brows upward. So if your brows are not balanced, you can like trim them, because I trimmed this one not long, so you can trim them. If they are too long, you just brush it upward like this. That's what I do. After this, I'm going to clean them with my concealer. So you can use any concealer of your skin tone. Okay, this one is a little bit lighter than my skin tone. The day I bought this one, the lady said it's the same thing, but when I got to find out that it's lighter. I got this from MAC, and this one is NC40. So I'll just use this to clean my brows. You doing business to test me. I'm mad at handling this type of thing. But I don't get it. You see, I'll do the same thing to the upper side. Babe, I wanna be alright. I just wanna make your heart sing. But you're not. You see that? You see that I did not use brow pencil with the concealer. It looks as if I've used brow pencil. Meanwhile, no. Okay, so I'll do the same thing to the other side. This is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you. I will love you like a queen. I will take you to a place you've never been. Love you. So I'm just going to blend the concealer like this into my skin. Doing that also, I need this brush. So I'll use this to blend it, just to clean it, blend it into my skin. I just wanna be your bride. The only thing that will take you time is your brows. The rest are just very easy. You're not letting me, yeah. So after doing that, what I do, I'll go back to my brow pencil. This is the brow pencil I use. It's from Sephora. So I'll just use it to underline it. Just fill in my brows little, not much, because I don't want it too dramatic. I don't want it too pronounced. So I'll do this, just little. The same thing to the other side. You do kind of strokes. I want to advise you on something. When you're doing your brows, never you place your brow pencil at the beginning of your brows like this. Maybe let me show you guys like this. No, let me clean it. Never you do that. It's not good. Okay, when you're using your brow pencil, make sure you start from halfway, like here. You see this place here, or even here. Okay, you just fill in your brows backward. I'll take my gel. This is eyebrow gel. What's the purpose of this? This will allow your brows to stay in place all day. You know, without this, sometimes your brows, they will be going left to right. But with this gel, it's very important. Even if you don't use eye pencil, you need this just to take your brows upward. It will allow your brows to stay in place all day. You need to get this. They have it everywhere. You can get it from Sephora, you can get it from Kiko, in all the shop, even Primark, they sell it. Okay, they call it eyebrow gel. So you just use this to take your brows upward. You will see the changes after doing this. Just look at it. You see my brows. You see, I did not do much, but with just this, it takes your brows to another level. Okay, you do same thing to the other one. I'll use my pressed powder. You need a brush like this, a fluffy brush. Why do I need my pressed powder? Because you know, when you've stayed for like some minutes, you're going to see, because of the concealer, your face, the whole of your brows will be oily. We don't want that. So I'm going to use my pressed powder. Just press it here under. That's to soak all the oil from it. I'll do the same thing to the top because we applied the concealer. And make sure when you're doing your brows, you know, sometimes you will see this place, the two tape joined it together. When you see that, just take your brush, clean it like this, just dab it like this to separate the two. Okay, when I see that, sometimes it looks so, I don't know how I will put it. I don't like it, so don't do that. We don't need those dramatic brows that you press your eyebrow pencil, they will see it from very fat, and they will see it from as thick as your finger. We don't need that. We don't need that at all. Okay, so now that is done, it's because I'm wearing falsies. If you're not wearing falsies, it's not a must for you to wear falsies. Falsies are your false lashes. Okay, it's not a must for you to wear falsies. You can apply your mascara on your natural eyelash and you are good to go. Okay, so I have this on before, that's why I have to leave it. If you're not wearing falsies, you just take your mascara and you apply on your natural lashes. Just take them on. Ladies, never you go out without mascara. French people will say c'est la base. Mascara is very important to every lady. Before you go out, even if you're going to buy bread, put your mascara. It will not cost you anything. If you don't want to draw your brows, just take your eyebrow gel, pass it through your brows. Never, and your lips. You see, because I want to finish the video before I apply my lipstick or my gloss. Your lips, always, if you're going out, always apply lip gloss, even if it is not showing. Not that one you will put as if you just finished eating the whole of fried chicken. No, just little, so that it will make your lips look succulent. You know what I mean? Succulent. Okay, so never you go out without those two things. Even if you're going to do shopping, even if you're going to pick someone downstairs, because you don't know who you're going to meet on the way. So make sure you apply your mascara and your lip gloss. Okay, it's an advice. All right guys, let's move on. So I'll take my mascara and also apply it on my bottom lash. You will see the changes. In case if you are applying your mascara and you saw that the mascara touches your face, don't clean it immediately. Allow it to dry, because when you clean it immediately, it's going to stain the whole of your face. So when it's dry, you can do that. Just take something wet, touch it, and everything is going to go off. I see so many ladies complain of, I don't like 13 by 6 lace wig. Let me clean my nose. Sorry guys. I see people complain, I don't like 13 by 6 lace wig. I don't like 13 by 4 lace wig because they are very difficult to install. No, who told you? They are not difficult. You don't need to like glue everything down. So like this wig I'll be wearing today is 13 by 6. You can see it's 13 by 6 lace wig. The difference between 13 by 6 and 13 by 4, because 13 by 4 lace wig is a wig that you have a lace just in front like this. Most ladies like that because the lace is very short. Then 13 by 6 or 13 by 4 is a wig that the lace is up to your ear side. Okay, so most people find it difficult because they cannot glue it down. I have a secret for you, don't worry. That's why you got my back. So what you will do, you see this adjustable strap here. It's shaking. You see this adjustable strap here. Make sure you put it on this last, see this place. I don't know how they call it. Something you can hook your wig. Put it here. Okay. Hook it like this. Then take the other one, cross it to the other side. And hook it. Do the same thing here. You guys can see it, right? So this is how it's going to look like. Don't mind who is going to see the back. We don't care. No one is seeing the back because we are not packing our hair ponytail. So it will look like this. Even if your wig don't have this, no problem. But if your wig comes with this, better. Okay, so I'm going to like draw this. So now I'm going to wear my wig. I'll push my cap backward. You see what I did now? It makes the wig very tight on my head. I did not glue it down, but you see, with just that, you do the other side. See, I did not glue it down. That's just the trick. Okay, you see that this front here is raising up a little. You don't want that. What you will do, you take gel, styling gel, not glue, just styling gel. Take little, okay, like this. Then you raise it up. Let me adjust my mirror so that I see what I'm doing. You raise your hair up, raise the lace up, put it in front. Then bring your hair down. Bring the lace down. It's gel you use. You don't need any hair glue and all that. No, just styling gel. If you have styling gel at home, use styling gel. Better. That is it. That is all you need to do. You don't need glue. You don't need any other thing. Let me brush my hair. If you have hand dryer, you can just dry it little, but if you don't leave it like that, it's going to dry on its own. Okay, you see, you don't know that it's 13 by 4, 13 by 6 lace wig I am wearing. This is what you do. It's very, 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 very easy, very easy. So the other thing you need is lip gloss. Okay, you can use sorry you can use either lip gloss, you can use lipstick, you can use anything you want. Me, I prefer lip gloss, so I'll just apply lip gloss. The night's got a fever to the moon and back, please. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you find this helpful. This is what I do when I go out, maybe if I have an appointment, or I'm going for groceries, or just to go out with friends. Sometimes I just do something very simple like this. You see that it's very, very easy. You don't have to like crack your head to install your wigs, do all that blah 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 before do all sorts of stuff. So with this, okay, you look good. I hope you find this video helpful. Okay, I will see you guys in my next one. Please God, just before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. Thank you so much for doing that. I will see you guys.